Appliance Fix. We repair all kitchen and laundry room appliances. For all your appliance needs, call the professionals at All Appliance Fix. We do in-home repair of all makes and models of washers, dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, ranges, cooktops, ovens, sink disposers, microwaves, trash compactors, and more. Our technicians are trained to handle the repairs of Sub-Zero, Miele, Viking, and all high-end appliances. Our skilled technicians have years of experience repairing appliances from all the major brands, including KitchenAid, GE, LG, Kenmore, Maytag, Frigidaire, Whirlpool, Magic Chef, and more. Let our factory-trained technicians handle the repair of your home appliances. They know how to deal with them. Do not wait days for someone else when we can send you a factory-trained technician tomorrow. You can count on All Appliance Fix. Call us at 201-203-4117 or 973-910-5411 to book the service call or schedule yourself online at www.allappliancefix.com.